Joining the clubs, you're more adept to meeting people that are around the same age as you, or even people that are have similar tastes as you. And that's how I've made friends.
I'm in RHA, which is Residence Halls Association. So I got to know people. Basically, just getting involved around like your community, your campus apartment.
To know your interests. Start off there. If you like to swim, be a part of a swim club. If you like to dance, find clubs that are associated with that. When you follow your passions, you'll find like-minded people, and when you find those like-minded people, you'll bond more easily than in a place where you don't feel like you can be a part of. So.
You're meeting people with the same interests as you, so it becomes really easy to get to know them and to create really nice bonds that you guys would have for the future.
Just asking like, oh, do you want to have a study session, or just joining something that's a part of the campus life, so that way you're able to find a community that makes you feel like involved.
Be amongst the campus vibe and meet new people. You'll have a great time.
If you like to go to the games, there are a variety of games on campus, such as basketball, football. Sometimes UCR offer them to students for free, so you should try to go to some of the games and make some friends over there. Also, join the book clubs. There are some book clubs on campus, depending on your interest. If you join them, that'll be another way to get in touch with people and make friends.
To talk to any random person. If you see something that you think is interesting about them, just say hi.
A lot of people are very shy and very timid in talking to people because they're scared of what the other person might think about them. But you never knew what kind of friendship you missed out if you don't actually talk to people.
Be okay with being uncomfortable, just putting yourself out there, even just saying hi to the person next to you in the class. You never know, maybe there's a connection that you guys have, and it can be the great start of a wonderful friendship.
Thank you.